start?
Yes.
Yes. So first question is, what made you say yes to Broken but Beautiful?
Well, very honestly, when I was offered Broken but Beautiful, when we went for the story, and when I heard the story, I just loved the storyline and I could relate to it. And that's actually one of the biggest reasons why I went ahead for the show.
How excited, nervous are you before your digital debut?
Very, very excited, nervous at the same time because one doesn't know how people are going to, take you, accept you, not accept you, and the kind of job that you want to do, you want it to be different from what you've been doing regularly, and this is different. But for people to accept you, in a different avatar, yes. So yeah, nervous and also excited at the same time.
Third question, you have been a part of TV, fiction and non-fiction both, films and now OTT, and digital is on a boom currently.
Right.
Your thoughts on various mediums, do you think OTT is here to stay, and do you have a preference or any of these mediums?
No, actually, for me, the medium really doesn't make much of a difference simply because as an actor, I enjoy my job and I love acting. And so, wherever there's something great that comes my way, I like to go for it. And talking about OTT, yes, it is the next big thing now. And I see a lot of people getting onto it now, and now, unfortunately, for the times that we are in, there is not a lot of content that's there out on television, and so OTT is another way forward. And I just feel it's amazing that there's so much more that you can do in this space, and yeah, and it takes us all in, so that's great. Yeah.
Any similarities between Siddharth and Agastya?
Similarities between Siddharth, yeah, pretty much. I mean, yes. To an extent, yes. A lot of situations that Agastya has gone in his life goes in the life are quite a few of those instances has have happened with me too in my life, and so I could relate to it, and yeah, that was the fun part of it.
Message to your fans for your digital debut.
Yes, guys, I guess we all need to stay home. I know it just gets slightly boring at times and it gets frustrating at times, but we don't have a choice. The pandemic's huge, and also that, at this point, we haven't learned much about the virus. So we see it's best that we stay indoors and really not get out that much. And yeah, and not just for our safety, just for the safety of everybody at home. It's best that we stay in and just stay glued to OTT.